The battle between the Olympian gods and the Titans, known as the Titanomachy, was a cataclysmic war that reshaped the very foundation of the cosmos. It all began with the tyrannical rule of Cronus, the leader of the Titans, who feared a prophecy that one of his children would overthrow him. In a desperate bid to prevent his downfall, Cronus devoured each of his children at birth, leaving his wife Rhea heartbroken and helpless. When Rhea gave birth to their sixth child, Zeus, she could no longer bear the loss. Secretly, she hid the infant on the island of Crete, giving Cronus a stone wrapped in swaddling clothes in place of the baby. Cronus, deceived, swallowed the stone, and Zeus escaped unscathed. As Zeus grew, nurtured by nymphs and guided by the wise Titaness Metis, he learned that he was destined to challenge his father and bring an end to the tyranny of the Titans. Zeus's time had come. As a young god, filled with strength and determination, he returned to Olympus to rally his siblings, Poseidon and Hades, along with other gods who had been oppressed by Cronus. They were united in their cause, to free their imprisoned kin and take back the heavens. Zeus, standing tall and resolute, addressed the gathered gods. "Together, we will bring down the cruel reign of Cronus, and the heavens will be ours." With the gods' spirits high, the battle for Olympus began. On one side stood the mighty Titans, led by Cronus himself, wielding his immense sickle, while on the other, the Olympians prepared to wage war. The sky crackled with thunder as Zeus and his allies took their stand. The battle was fierce. The earth trembled under the clash of gods and Titans. Zeus hurled his thunderbolts with unmatched power, facing off against his father Cronus. "This ends now," Zeus cried. "I will fulfill the prophecy you feared. Your reign is over." Cronus roared back, "You are nothing but a child. I will crush you like the rest." The two gods clashed in a storm of lightning and steel, the skies themselves seeming to fracture under the weight of their fury. As the battle raged on, the gods gained the upper hand, bolstered by their allies. The Cyclopes, who forged Zeus's legendary thunderbolt, and the Hecatonchires, the 100-armed giants who fought with unrivaled ferocity. In the midst of the chaos, Zeus raised his mighty weapon. "This will be the end of Cronus," he declared, and with a single mighty throw, he struck his father with all the power of the storm. Cronus, weakened and battered, fell to his knees, his body crumpling under the divine force. "No, this cannot be," he gasped. Zeus's voice rang out with finality. "It is done. The reign of the Titans is over." With their leader defeated, the remaining Titans were swiftly subdued. Some were struck down by the gods, while others were bound by the Hecatonchires and cast into the depths of Tartarus. The Olympians stood victorious, the throne of the heavens now within their grasp. As the dust settled, the gods gathered to divide the world. Zeus, with the wisdom and power of the storm, claimed the sky and heavens as his domain. Poseidon, the god of the sea, took control of the oceans and all its creatures. Hades, the solemn god of the underworld, claimed the realm of the dead, vowing to govern it with fairness. Zeus stood before his brothers, his voice resolute. "Together, we will create a new order, an order of peace, where no one will suffer under the tyranny of the Titans again." The Olympians, now masters of the world, looked toward the future with hope. The old order was shattered, and a new era was born. The gods' reign was marked by justice, and peace reigned across the realms. With the defeat of the Titans, the Olympian gods secured their place as rulers of the universe. The skies cleared, and the sound of thunder faded into the distance as the gods stood united, ready to rule. The earth, free from the shadow of Cronus, was reborn. The prophecy had come true, and Zeus, the king of the gods, had fulfilled his destiny. The heavens were theirs. and the world would never be the same again. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.